Welcome to South Omaha Speed. This edition, we're working on the 65 Fastback. Peyton and Ryan are over, and we're actually painting up the front rotors and the rear drums because we're going to show through those torque thrust Ds. Got a little paint booth out here. Let's go check it out. Got the old paint booth going on here. What you got going on, Peyton?
We're painting.
Making sure they don't rust through the wheels,
Heck
or you
yeah.
can't see it through the spokes. Good for you.
It's pretty.
Looks good. Can I get that cast look already?
Pretty.
For sure, for sure. You're doing great. A couple other things they got done here. They got the upper and lower hose on, which is pretty cool. This little bypass hose right here. That's installed. We got a little hole here with the battery tray. We put some chemical on it to encapsulate the rust, I guess, to kind of just to seal it off from oxygen, I guess is what it does. I can show you that here in a second. We got a little hole right here. We're probably not going to fix that for this round. We're just going to buy a new battery tray and get a tray and keep moving forward. It's summer here, the weather's nice, so we're trying to get the thing on the road. Here's the stuff we used. I used this stuff in the trunk on another episode, and then we're using it up front here, just kind of touching up, scrubbing the rust down with a wire brush, trying to get the big chunks off, and then we're just coating with this. So works pretty good. We just changed the oil. The car had an old Purelator filter, if you can see it in there or not, a vintage Purelator filter inside the car, and so we're just putting that back. We're using it as a new one, and so we put it on, and we put some oil in there and screwed it on. And we just filled the motor up with oil. We're going to fill the motor with oil. We just drained the oil. So we're going to get that going. We bought a battery, thinking it hopefully fits a new tray when it comes in. We're actually thinking about starting this thing tonight. So they haven't heard it run yet. So they're pretty excited. So we'll see how far we get. So we got a little challenging thing here where it got real rusty and the actual heater hose fitting actually rusted and broke off inside the water pump over the time. So what Peyton's doing here, she got some quick set JB weld that she's shoving down in kind of the hole. We ran it didn't leak here when we had it started here a year ago or so. And so right now we're just trying to shove that hole and fill it up with some JB quick set. So hopefully future down the road here when we're running it, it won't leak on us going down the highway. So it's not something we probably should be doing the correct way. We should be doing it the correct way, I guess what I'm saying. But this is just a way to get us through the summer. No heater. Like I said, the heater core in the car is leaking. We're not fixing that either at this point. We just want to get the thing running. So hopefully this will work and we won't have a leak and all will be good. So along with painting the drums and the rotors, we're going to go ahead and detail this little shield here too. So we're thinking this edge might show up in between in the torque thrust. As you're looking through there, you might see this edge. So we're just going to shoot that real quick. Go ahead. Good job. You're doing great. Perfect. Thank you. All right. We're going to do a little more Puff Can Hero stuff here. Kind of got the front end here masked off. We're just going to shoot this black real quick, kind of get some color on it, just so when the grill's in it looks nice and black back there. Just some satin black, get some color on it so it looks good. We're ready to roll.
Oh yeah.
Feel good?
A world of difference.
Oh yeah, that's a pretty full can, don't you think?
Yeah.
Looks pretty good. Okay, so we're gonna recap this one. Since I had the camera on last, we did a little more work. We got the front disc on, disc brake, and the hub. We got the bearings packed, got that adjusted. Still got to get a counter pin for that. Still got to get this one on the car and get the packed bearing in the front there. The rear seal's already on there, so that's awesome. So we're getting close there. We'll be got to find the brake pads for the calipers and get them in the calipers and get them with the bolts Loctite, get them on probably next time. Get the new brake lines on for the new calipers because we're doing the front disc brake conversion on this one, and I still have to order the new master cylinder to make this work. So and I'll take you outside and show you Peyton already left, but she puff canned some front end pieces. Hopefully we can color match a little bit. So I'll take you out and show you what we got going there. Okay, so we got a little makeshift paint booth out here, kind of tucked up against the garage best we could. It looks really silver here, really metallic. So what we did is we took a little piece of the original front valance in to O'Reilly's, and they put this color into a can for us, whatever color it needed to take, to make it match the existing valance. And it looks really metallic here, but we had a test piece, and we kind of, once we sanded it, it looked pretty good, we thought. So hopefully it'll look better than this when we get it up on the car. But I still have to get a new valance as well, because the old one was really tore up. So hopefully this week I'm gonna get that order as well, and we can get that painted and start putting the front end together. So we appreciate you watching. We'll catch you next time on South Omaha Speed. Tell your neighbors and your friends. Thank you.